Have you ever bought a car that made you question your life choices? One that didn't just disappoint but downright betrayed you? Today, we're not talking about average commuter cars or mildly annoying recalls. We're digging into something far worse: vehicles so flawed, so dangerous, or so poorly built, their manufacturers have tried to quietly erase them from existence. These cars weren't just failures. They were PR disasters, lawsuits followed, warranties collapsed. Engines exploded, dashboards melted, and wheels literally fell off sometimes while drivers were still in motion. 1. Tesla Model 3 2020 to 2023. The Tesla Model 3 was supposed to be the car that revolutionized the auto industry, and in many ways, it did. It was the best-selling EV in the world between 2018 and 2020. But here's the twist: being popular doesn't mean being reliable. The Model 3 became infamous for its software issues, especially a glitch called phantom braking, where the car would suddenly slam on the brakes for no apparent reason, on highways at full speed with no obstacles around. This bug was so dangerous that the US government launched an investigation into over 400,000 Teslas. Then there's the full self-driving fiasco. That name was misleading from the start, and it ended in multiple crashes. Teslas were running stop signs, drifting into oncoming traffic, and even causing fatalities, over a dozen in the US alone, too. Toyota bZ4X 2023. Toyota is known for building cars that last forever, so when they finally released their first mass-market EV, expectations were sky-high. What they delivered was a freezing, glitchy mess. The bZ4X, aside from having a name that sounds like a printer error, suffered from serious winter performance issues. Drivers reported that range would drop by up to 50% in cold weather. Charging was painfully slow. And worst of all, wheels were falling off. Yes, Toyota had to recall nearly 3,000 bZ4X vehicles because the bolts holding the wheels in place weren't properly tightened. As if that wasn't embarrassing enough, the camera system was also faulty. It let in water and stopped working during rain or snow. You know, the kind of weather when you actually need your cameras to function. 3. Honda Civic 2012 to 2015. The Civic is supposed to be the ultimate safe bet: affordable, reliable, practical. But after the 2008 financial crisis, Honda tried to cut costs on the 2012 Civic, and they cut too deep. Gone were the high-quality materials. In their place, a cheap plastic interior, weak suspension, and bland design that even fans couldn't defend. The car was noisy, uncomfortable, and handled like a shopping cart in the wind. Consumer Reports dropped the Civic from its recommended list. A huge blow. Even Honda's CEO publicly admitted it was a failure, and although Honda rushed to redesign it in 2013, the damage to its image lingered. Lesson learned: even the most dependable nameplates can falter when companies try to pinch pennies. 4. Subaru Outback and Forester 2011 to 2015. Subaru drivers are loyal. Some would call it a cult. But during the early 2010s, that loyalty was tested. The Outback and Forester both suffered from severe oil consumption issues. Engines were guzzling a quart of oil every 1,000 miles, and Subaru initially claimed it was normal. Turns out, the piston rings were defective. Oil was leaking into the combustion chamber and vanishing, and the only real fix: replacing the entire short blocker repair that cost up to $8,000. Subaru eventually lost a class action lawsuit. 5. Volkswagen Jetta and Golf TDI 2009 to 2015. You can't talk about bad cars without bringing up Dieselgate. Volkswagen's TDI models like the Jetta and Golf were marketed as clean diesel wonders. In reality, they were cheating emissions tests using defeat devices. These cars emitted up to 40 times the legal limit of nitrogen oxide. The scandal affected over 11 million vehicles worldwide. 6. Kia Optima and Hyundai Sonata 2011 to 2015. At one point, Hyundai and Kia were gaining respect in the US market, and then their engines started exploding. The culprit was the Theater to engine, found in millions of Sonatas, Optimas, and other models. Poor machining left behind metallic debris, which clogged oil passages and led to engine seizure. 7. Nissan Pathfinder 2013-201. For when a car is marketed as a family SUV, safety and reliability are non-negotiable. But Nissan dropped the ball hard with the 2013 Pathfinder. Their biggest mistake, the use of Jatco CVT transmissions, which were notoriously glitchy. 8. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011 to 2015. Jeep has always been a brand built on rugged, off-road reliability. But the 4th Gen Grand Cherokee was a technical disaster. It started with electrical gremlins, cars refusing to start, braking systems cutting out, and random power failures. The root issue was a faulty totally integrated power module TIPM, which caused chaos across the vehicle. Things got worse in 2014 and 2015 with faulty transmissions that let parked cars roll away, sparking multiple injuries and at least one fatality. 9. BMW 750i 2009 to 2013. BMW drivers expect power, luxury, and performance. What they don't expect is an engine that eats itself alive. The 750i came with the N60 3V8 twin-turbo engine with serious design flaws. The turbos were mounted inside the engine's V, causing extreme heat buildup. Plastic and rubber components would melt. 10. Mercedes-Benz C-Class 200/2008. Mercedes-Benz has long been synonymous with luxury, precision, and engineering excellence. But during the mid-2000s, something strange happened. The brand seemed to forget how to build a reliable car. The W203 generation C-Class, particularly the 2000-2008 models, was plagued with electronic failures. We're talking power windows failing, instrument clusters going dark, door locks not working, and wiring harnesses corroding well before 100,000 miles. The culprit, a mix of cheap wiring materials and overcomplicated systems that just weren't up to Mercedes' usual standard.